What's up, guys? It's Declan next. My real name is Declan. You see, we got FGTeeV. Be a lot, boy. Toys. Yeah, they play roll me on the TV, and we are doing some magic. We are gonna put the bags over there.
Nope. Stay where you are. Just get ready to open them magically with your staff, okay? All right, you gotta hit them to open them.
You see this happened. You see. They opened it. I didn't. Anyone in here?
All right, so what did we get?
It looks like this guy.
What's his name? I don't remember. Toss me one of the bags.
I opened it.
No, toss me one of the bags because his name's probably on the bag. I know he's the ghost guy. I forget his name.
Me too. It's probably Combo Panda Ghost.
You got Invisispookus. He is ultra mega rare.
That was a tough one.
Ultra mega rare. What's up? That's the rarest one.
That's the last one.
First try, rarest one.
Yeah. There's a super whale and two whales. Talkie!
My personal favorite.
I wish his nose could move. That means we gotta get great talkie. Should we?
Here, I'll get it. You stay here. Talk to your fans.
We got an ultra mega whale. That's pretty intense. I gotta use the step 1, 3, 2, 1. Don't put your hand in like the video. 3, 2, 1. I'm super powerful. You see this happens. I can do that. This is FGTeeV's on. This one. I'll get scored in wax. I don't know what. And go get okay. Okay. Down. Chicken. We got ultra mega whale. First try.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
I hope everyone enjoyed.
Yeah. Let's everyone go in for.
We're revealing my interesting filming methods.
Yeah, this is not me. You see any hand? It's not me doing that. Now, goodbye. Please like and subscribe. See you next video, and it's